Do you want to make a lot of money on YouTube? Then you need to choose a niche that has a high RPM. RPM stands for revenue per 1,000 views. It's how much money you can get from ads for every 1,000 views, after YouTube takes its cut. CPM is different. That's the cost advertisers pay per 1,000 ad impressions. But at the end of the day, you care about RPM, your revenue. The higher the RPM, the more money you make. So today, I'll be sharing the top 5 most profitable niches based on their sky-high RPM potential. Let's get started. First up is education, covering topics like online courses, skill development platforms, educational apps, and more. This niche has an average RPM of $4 up to $15. Channels in this space like Khan Academy and Skillshare help viewers gain new skills and knowledge. The engaged audience makes it worthwhile for advertisers. Next, we have the broad technology niche, including software, gadgets, hardware, reviews, and tutorials on the latest innovations. The RPM here runs from $5 up to $25. Popular channels like Marques Brownlee and Linus Tech Tips attract tech junkies hungry for info on new products. High demand from both viewers and advertisers drives up the earnings. Now we come to the Make Money Online niche, covering affiliate marketing, blogging, freelancing, and many other online income methods. The typical RPM is $6 up to $30. Viewers come to channels like Kevin David and Income School to learn how to earn online and build their own digital businesses. Huge potential audience and high relevancy for advertisers equals big money. Moving higher, we have the investing, trading, and personal finance niche at $8 up to $40 RPM. The audience here wants to make smart money moves. Channels like Graham Stephan and Andre Jik attract viewers who are highly engaged in growing their wealth. Advertisers will pay top dollar to reach them. And the winner for the highest earning niche is insurance and loans, with an astronomical RPM of $10 up to $60. Platforms like Policy Bazaar in this space connect with viewers making huge life purchases. Insurance and loan advertisers will pay virtually anything to get in front of these intent-driven eyes. There you have the 5 best niches for high YouTube earnings. I hope this helps you pick the right niche with big RPM potential. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Let me know in the comments if you have any niche questions. Thanks for watching and go dominate your niche in 2023. See you in the next video.